Now, the reaction. He's the chairman of the American Conservative Union, also a friend of Judge Kavanaugh, Matt Schlapp, and Florida Attorney General Pam Bondi. Pam, let me start with the law and the investigation. No conclusions, no recommendations. Joe Biden was right in 1991. Here's the question. We don't have a place. We don't have a location. We have Professor Ford naming 4 people that were at this alleged event. All 4 people, under the penalty of perjury, have given sworn statements. Now, beyond asking them the same questions that the Senate Judiciary Committee investigative team asked, help me out, is there any other possible thing that the FBI can do except ask those 4 people? There's no place to go. What can they do?
Well, and again, like you said, they've already given statements under the penalty of perjury. They're all saying they will talk to the FBI. I would deploy countless FBI agents tomorrow morning and get this thing done. Get them locked in FBI statements, bring them back to the Senate Judiciary Committee, because, Sean, I've never in my career as a prosecutor seen anything like this. My job is also to protect the rights of the accused as a prosecutor, and a criminal murder defendant in a courtroom charged with murder would be treated more fairly and with more respect than Brett Kavanaugh was treated by the Senate Judiciary Committee. And that committee is one of the oldest committees and was formed to handle constitutional issues. So those people need to go back and read the preamble to the Constitution. They need to read the 5th Amendment, the 6th Amendment, the rights of the accused. They need to go talk to the ACLU. Because everything about Judge Kavanaugh, he had to come in there as a guilty person and prove his innocence. And I've never seen anything like it in my career.
Matt, let me start with something. I've been very critical of Republicans when they don't keep their promises and they don't live up to their word and they do stupid things. To their credit, for the most part, I think today was really dumb on the part of a few. But for the most part, they have handled this with the proper seriousness it deserves. And Professor Ford needed to be heard. And